I just built a lead qualifier that saves me 3 hours a week, then a pricing calculator that closes deals faster, then a content generator that never runs out of ideas, all in Google AI Studio build mode, all in under 10 minutes. Let me show you exactly how to do this step by step. All right, so here's what we're doing today. I'm going to show you how to build 3 actual business tools using Google AI Studio build mode, not basic stuff, real tools that save you time and automate your workflow. I'm talking lead qualifiers, pricing calculators, content generators, the kind of stuff that used to require a developer and thousands of dollars. And I'm going to walk you through every single step so you can build your own. First thing, go to astudio.google.com and sign in. Once you're in, click on Build at the top. This is where you create apps with prompts. Now, most people know build mode exists, but they don't know how to use it properly. They write vague prompts and get mediocre results. I'm going to show you the exact prompts that actually work. Let me start with tool number 1, a lead qualification system for AI Profit Boardroom. Here's the problem I'm solving. We get dozens of people every week asking about AI automation. Some are ready to get started right away. Some are just browsing. Some are still in the research phase. My team was spending hours on calls with people at all different stages. Massive waste of time. So I built a tool that filters them before they even get on our calendar. Here's my exact prompt. Watch this. Build a lead qualification tool with 5 specific questions. Question 1, what type of business do you run with options for e-commerce, service business, agency, or other? Question 2, what is your biggest time-consuming task right now with a text field? Question 3, what is your current monthly revenue with ranges under 10,000, 10 to 50,000, 50 to 100,000, over 100,000? Question 4, how quickly do you want to implement AI automation with options this week, this month, this quarter, just researching? Question 5, what is your budget range with options under 1,000, 1 to 5,000, 5 to 10,000, over 10,000? After they submit, score them from 1 to 10. Give leads with score 8 or above a green flag. A message book a call now. Give leads with score 5 to 7 a yellow flag. And message we will email you resources. Give leads under 5 a red flag. A message join our free community first. Make it clean and simple. Now I click build and watch what happens. AI Studio generates the entire tool. I can see the 5 questions, the drop-down menus, the text fields, the submit button, everything is there. Now I test it with a real scenario. I fill it out as if I'm a qualified lead. Service business, biggest task is customer follow-ups. Monthly revenue 50 to 100,000. Timeline this month, budget 5 to 10,000. I hit submit. Boom. The tool scores this as a 9 out of 10, shows a green flag, says book a call now. And look at this, it even explains why. High revenue, clear pain point, ready timeline, appropriate budget. This is exactly the lead my team should prioritize. Now I test it again with someone in the research phase, just researching, revenue under 10,000, budget under 1,000, it scores them as a 3. Red flag suggests they join the free community first. Perfect. This tool just saved my team 3 hours a week. No more wasted calls, no more guessing who's serious. We embed this on our website. People qualify themselves, only the ready leads get through. And the best part, this took me 5 minutes to build. No developer, no monthly subscription, just one prompt in build mode. Now let's build tool number 2. Right. Tool number 2, a pricing calculator for AI Profit Boardroom services. Here's the situation. When someone wants to work with us, pricing depends on multiple factors. What services they need, how big their business is, how complex the setup is. I used to calculate this manually every single time. Sometimes I'd forget to factor something in. Sometimes my math was off. And it took forever to send quotes back and forth. So I built a tool that does it instantly. Here's my exact prompt for this one. Build a pricing calculator for AI automation services. Start with checkboxes for service selection. Let users select multiple services, then add a drop-down for business size. Solo entrepreneur, multiply total by 0.8. Small team 1 to 5 people, standard price. Medium business 6 to 20 people, multiply by 1.3. Large business over 20 people, multiply by 1.5, then add a slider for project complexity. Simple, subtract 10%, standard, no change, complex, add 25%. Calculate the total automatically as they make selections. Show a detailed breakdown of base services, size multiplier, complexity adjustment, and final price. Add a button to download the quote as a PDF. I click Build. AI Studio creates the calculator. I can see all the service checkboxes, the business size drop-down, the complexity slider, the live price display. Now I test it. I select email automation and CRM integration. That's $2,500 base. I choose small team. That stays at standard pricing. I set complexity to complex. That adds 25%. The calculator shows me $3,125, and it breaks down exactly how it got there. Service costs, size adjustment, complexity fee, everything is transparent. Now here's why this is powerful. I send this calculator to prospects. They play with it themselves. They see how different options affect the price. They understand what they're paying for. No confusion, no surprises, and they can generate their own quote instantly. I'm not sitting there doing math. I'm not going back and forth with revisions. They fill it out, they get the price, they book a call if they're ready. This tool turns a 3-day process into 3 minutes, and you can build pricing calculators for anything. Freelance services, consulting packages, product bundles, membership tiers. Just describe your pricing structure in the prompt. Let build mode create the calculator, test it, then share it with your audience. Now, tool number 3, a content idea generator for AI Profit Boardroom. Here's the challenge. We create content every single day, YouTube videos, blog posts, tweets, LinkedIn posts, and coming up with fresh ideas is exhausting, especially ideas that are relevant to our audience and actually get engagement. I used to sit there for 30 minutes just brainstorming. Now I have a tool that does it in 30 seconds. Here's the prompt I use. Build a content idea generator for AI and business automation topics. Create a drop-down menu for content format with options: YouTube video, blog post, Twitter thread, LinkedIn post, Instagram carousel. Add an input field for target audience examples: small business owners, agency owners, freelancers, corporate teams. Add an input field for a specific topic or keyword. Add a drop-down for content goal with options: educate, inspire, sell, entertain, build authority. When user clicks generate, create 10 content ideas. For each idea, include a scroll stopping title, a 2-sentence description of what the content covers, 3 key points or sections to include, and a hook or opening line. Format the output so it is easy to copy and use immediately. Add a regenerate button to get 10 new ideas. I click build, the tool appears, I see the content format drop down, the audience field, the topic field, the goal selector, the generate button. Now I test it. I select YouTube video. Target audience is small business owners. Topic is AI automation. Goal is educate. I click generate and look at this output. 10 complete video ideas. First one is stop doing this manually, automate it in 10 minutes with AI. Description says show 3 common business tasks and how to automate each one with free AI tools. Key points include email responses, data entry, and appointment scheduling. Hook is you're wasting 5 hours a week on tasks AI can do in 5 minutes. This is solid. This is usable content right now. I don't need to brainstorm. I don't need to stare at a blank screen. I just generate ideas, pick the one that feels right, and start creating. And if I don't like these 10, I click regenerate. I get 10 more. I can do this all day. I'll never run out of content ideas. You can build generators for anything: product descriptions, email subject lines, ad copy, social media captions, sales scripts. Just tell build mode what you need, what format, what style, what details to include, and it creates the generator for you. Now, let me give you the framework for building tools that actually work. First, start with the problem. Don't just build random stuff. Think about what wastes your time, what slows you down, what you do manually that could be automated. That's what you build. Second, be extremely specific in your prompts. Don't say build a calculator. Say what inputs you need, what the calculation formula is, what the output should show. The more detail you give build mode, the better your tool will be. Third, include the user experience in your prompt. Tell it to make things clean, simple, easy to understand. Add helpful labels, use clear buttons, make the output easy to copy or download. Think about who's using this tool and what they need. Fourth, test immediately. As soon as the tool is built, use it with real data, real scenarios, real numbers. See if it works the way you expected. If something's off, refine your prompt and rebuild. Fifth, iterate and improve. Your first version won't be perfect, that's fine. Build it, use it, see what's missing. Then go back and add those features. Maybe you need another input field. Maybe the output needs better formatting. Maybe you want to add a download button. Just update your prompt and rebuild. Sixth, build a library. Don't just make one tool and stop. Build multiple tools for different parts of your business. Lead qualification, pricing, content generation, customer onboarding, project planning, email templates. Seventh, share your tools. These aren't just for you. Your team can use them. Your customers can use them. Your audience can use them. Make them public. Embed them on your website, send them in emails. Good tools help good people. And eighth, combine tools with automation platforms. Connect your build mode tools to Zapier or Make. So when someone fills out your lead qualifier, it automatically adds them to your CRM, sends them an email, books a calendar slot. That's when things get really powerful. All right, here's your action plan right now, today. Go to aistudio.google.com open build mode. Pick one task you do every week that takes too much time and build a tool for it. Use the exact prompt structure I showed you. Be specific, include details, test it, use it, then tomorrow build another one and another one the next day. In 2 weeks, you'll have 10 custom tools. In a month, you'll have automated half your workflow.